That's kind of disgusting. That is actually disgusting. Good morning, everyone. Today is Sunday and I am having a big old Sunday reset because I am in desperate need of one. I've had a few busy days and I've sort of just let loose a little bit and haven't really looked after my room or myself because I look and feel disgusting. So today is I'm gonna change my bed sheets, put my washing on, have a everything shower, I'm gonna tidy the kitchen and I'm like tidy the bathroom, but everything basically. I just want to go to bed today and just feel so fresh and clean. I'm gonna have candles going. I'm actually so excited about it. By the way, I am rubbing in moisturiser into my face, so it looks a bit weird, but I'm just like, I am actually putting moisturiser on. I actually might use this glow drops because that kind of was interesting to me. This is interesting and it kind of making me look more tanned. No, it's not, I'm literally lying. So I am getting ready to go to the gym because in the Sunday reset I also want my body to feel good, and also it gets me out of the house and I need to do shopping and the gym's right next to the shop, so it's basically 2 in 1. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go gym, go to the shops and get some food and some cleaning bits. I really fancy a new candle. Well, I don't really, it depends if it's on club card. If it's on the club card, I'm getting it. If not, then I'm gonna have to make do with my, I don't have any. I do have insets. I know, we'll work it out, I just want to let you know. I'm going to do a little montage of me getting ready and going to the gym and whatnot. But I just want to let you know that in my AirPods and the whole time that I'm getting ready, Lana Del Rey is playing because I am really obsessed with her right now. So if you know, you know. Workout is complete. I'm now going to Tesco's because I need to do a food shop. Most importantly, I want a candle. So there she is. Between these fluffy ones for the bed. These are fluffier, but these just look cute. I don't know, I can't decide. Yeah, but I think I'm gonna have vanilla. It just smells more fresh. I normally have cinnamon, but they didn't have cinnamon. So I'm quite sad about that. This is mango. Mango's okay, but like, it's just a bit too fruity and like for the evenings, I just want it to be fresh. So we're gonna get the vanilla, get some sweet treats, and then what I'm gonna eat for dinner, because I wanna like sit in my bed and eat a big fat Ben & Jerry's. That is literally what I'm craving. So I just got home, well, just, it was like 30 minutes ago. Anyway, as you can see, I'm gonna put my washing up. I hate doing this. I hate washing. I just hate washing in general, but the idea of just having clean bed sheets is keeping me motivated today. So yeah, I'm just gonna go and hang up my washing. Okay, I'm now gonna turn around. I'm not gonna lie, I've literally been sat on YouTube for like an hour because I have no energy. Like, I literally just died. I think that workout really just took it out of me today. I mean, to be fair, it was probably the worst one I've done ever. Is that a bit? No, I wouldn't say ever, that's a bit extreme. Anyway, but this is the current state of my bedroom. I can't believe I'm showing, I'm really outing myself. I mean, it's not like crazy. Actually, no, here's outing myself. Look at my desk. Okay, you can't even see. There's literally coffee stains everywhere. So that is, okay, that is being sorted because I literally can't deal with that anymore. So I'm gonna watch a bit more YouTube, I think, and tidy up. We're gonna get Henry the big boy out to hoover my floor. I've got a special guest who's gonna help me. I just realised this isn't even a Henry. This is just a Wix Hoover. Well, Big Boss is gonna help me clean my room. Progress has been made. You can see the room is looking a lot, I mean, I've got a big bin bag there, but it's looking a lot better. And I'm honestly so done with cleaning, and I haven't even done that much, but I literally just wanna curl up in a ball and sit on my bed. I literally, oh my god, I'm actually getting a bit too excited about it. Downstairs to the kitchen because I'm gonna put some food on, but I also, do I show? Okay, it's not that bad, but the surfaces are quite bad. So I'm going to clean the kitchen. I actually like cleaning the kitchen. I've become a weird freak and I enjoy cleaning the kitchen, so that's my next task. Okay, I've now finished cleaning. I mean, although literally my background is, but that's everyone else's pots and pans, which I've done, and our cardboard pile, which I will be taking out. I just can't. I'm just hungry, to be honest. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna make some food. I'm gonna make a burger. I've got chips already going in the oven because chips and burger, like you can't just have a burger by itself. So I'm literally cutting up an onion. I feel like although I've been going to the gym, I still want to be able to eat whatever I want. I feel like so many people go, I'm going to go to the gym and I'm going to eat healthy and I'm going to wake up at 6 in the morning, and it's just like, girl, that's just not possible. I did that once and it didn't last. It lasted about a month and I felt so great in the moment, but like it just was not realistic. And like when I had plans and stuff, then I would just feel like rubbish if I didn't go to the gym or I drank that night. Like it wasn't reasonable for me anyways. I can't keep anything anyways. Like me doing these YouTube videos, how long is that actually going to last? That's the question. But it gives me a little friend when my friends are out busy working, which I need a job so bad. I think I need a job. Also, sorry, I've got the worst cramps right now and I'm not even on my period, but I feel like it's coming. But oh my god, the pain right now is actually kind of bad and I hate it because I wasn't expecting it, and it's just like in my head I knew I was going to start my period. Like I was like, I'm so going to start, and here we are. I don't even know what I was waffling about. I was basically saying I'm gonna have chips and burger and enjoy it, even though it's not that healthy, although I am putting an onion in it, so that's my veg. That's literally my veg. Do you know that I find it so hard to cook at uni? I'm not gonna lie. Okay, I don't mind cooking. Like I love the outcome of food. Like, you know when you've made a really good meal and then you're eating it and you're like, oh, I made this. Like you feel so good. But the idea of going to cook and actually cooking, like I actually hate it. Like I don't know how my mum genuinely does a full day of work and then comes home and cooks us dinner. Like big up to my mum, but I am not going to be that person. I think I'm going to be the mum that puts freezer food on every day, and the kids will probably actually love it because do you know what I mean? I used to beg for, actually I didn't beg, but if I was having like chicken nuggets and chips, I'll be very happy. Whereas if I found out like the slow cooker was on, everyone knows about slow cooker, like it's not a good day, like no one's going to enjoy that meal. So I'm going to be a parent, probably fat kids, but they're going to love that freezer food. Right, what do I want to do? Do you want to see how much onion I cut? That it's nothing, but it's going to be going in my burger, and I don't want it to like all be onion. Oh, that reminds me, I'm going to turn the hob on. Oh my god, that's a fat butter. Do you want to see how much I've just put down? Like, that's a lot of meat. That's a lot of meat, but no, I'm going to put some back. I'm not going to lie, right, I picked this meat up on the reduced section, okay? And it said it was best before 1st February, 2nd February, but like, I opened it yesterday. So I feel like it's fine for today, but I'm not going to be able to have the rest. But It was half price, so I literally cannot complain. I'm so bad at buying a full pack of meat and then literally not even eating half of it. Like, that's my worst thing. Although I've started freezing, I've got like chicken that's been in my freezer for like 2 weeks. But I searched it up and it's actually, you can keep it in there for a year. Like, that's insane. But at least I know that that is there. By the way, I really hope this video has been somewhat interesting, because I feel like I love watching these type of videos because it gives me motivation to go and do it myself. So that's what I'm going to try and do. I'm going to show a very, very normal, average person keeping tidy and looking after themselves and all that stuff, because I feel like some people are very over the top. And I'm just an average girl. I need to season, actually. I've only got these like mixed herbs, but I had it on my pasta yesterday. Okay, I put way too much on. I put way too much on. Right, and now I'm literally washing my hands. I'm gonna have to touch the meat again. That's kind of disgusting. That is actually disgusting. Now I'm gonna get proper cooking. I'm gonna show you the outcome after with my smashing burger and chips, and I'm so excited. I'm so excited, to be honest, because I just haven't, I've eaten like a little bit today, but not like a full-on meal. Got my burger cooking, and my chips are like done. Okay, but like, can you see? It doesn't look like a lot, but there is, I think I cooked too many. I got a bit excited about how hungry I was. I keep doing that, like I keep literally cooking so much food because I'm so hungry when it comes to cooking, and then when it's like ready and I'm like serving it up, I'm like, I'm not gonna eat all this. But to be fair, I think that's an alright amount. I will definitely eat all of that because I love chips, and I'm not even joking. Like, okay, I'm gonna rant now. I'm actually not gonna rant, but I've got this sweet chili sauce. I love sweet chili sauce. Actually, right, I've got, these are even better. These are literally so good, right? So every time I go to Greggs, I take their sweet chili sauce because it's actually banging. Like, it's actually the best dip I've ever had, ever. Like, it's like the perfect sweetness, and it's like a little bit spicy, but not because I can't handle my spice. It's like perfect, it's literally perfect. So when you go to Greggs, every time just go and nick them. I literally nick like 10 every time I go. Right, got my food, had one of the chips, they're spicy, like actually spicy. So I'm gonna have to just farm it because I'm hungry and I want them and they look good, but like, I'm hoping the sweet chili sauce will tone it down. Now it's time for the long waited shower and scrub of the tan, reapply of the tan. The goodness, this is the goodness before the relaxation. So I've just got out of the shower. I literally shaved everywhere, scrubbed everywhere. Fake tan is off pretty much. I was gonna put more on, but I decided I'm gonna leave it for tonight. And as you can see, I've got a spot on my face, and it's actually, I'm really sad about it because I don't get spots. So when I do, it's literally like the biggest deal in the world, and I just, bugs me. It's because I have started my period. Right, so I literally, about half an hour ago, so that was like the cherry on top of the cake for today. I feel like I'm literally moisturising in every single second of this video because it shows how much I do. I do love a good moisturise because I literally have such dry skin. Like, my eczema in winter's so bad, although I actually don't get any on my face, which is really good because I just don't know how I'd cope with that. I already hate it. Like, do you know, like, it's pretty good right now. Can you see that? But like, usually it's quite bad, but recently it's been so good. So I've been so happy about it because it means when I fake tan, it's not all patchy. Like, it's kind of not too bad. I'm just doing a bit of eye cream now. Eye cream is my new favourite thing actually because I have really dark under eyes, especially in winter, and I actually get so much sleep. People can like rock on like 4 hours sleep and be fine. I'm sorry, I need like at least 8 hours. I'm not even joking. Most nights I think I genuinely have like 9 or 10 hours sleep, which might be a bit too much, but I just don't care. Like, if I've got uni late in that day, why am I gonna get up? Like, if I want to have my sleep, I'll have my sleep. From editing my last video, how many times I say like and actually genuinely, I was sitting there and I was like, I should count how many times I say it, because I say it so many times. It was actually bugging me. It was literally, like, I didn't need to say that, did I? I can't do it myself. I think I'm gonna have to go back to like school and learn some more English. This I'm just putting some hand cream on, again, just more moisturizer for my body, because that is what we need. But let me tell you, this Sunday reset, I feel very reset and ready for the week ahead. I've also changed my bed sheets, and I was going to film it, but then I was waiting for my phone to charge, and I was like, I'm just going to do it now. And then last thing I'm going to do is just some Vaseline. This one's like kind of pinky, so it makes my lips look a little pretty. And that is my skincare done. It's so basic, but I don't think I need anything else. Oh my god, this spot is actually... Who said spot? Like, who invented spots? Because... Oh my god, I can't do them. Can't do them. Anyways, I'm now gonna go in, get my Ben & Jerry's and sit and watch Friends. Obviously I'm gonna brush my teeth later, but I wanna eat my Ben & Jerry's now. I'd say vibes right now, 10 out of 10. I've got my Ben & Jerry's. I'm setting my clean bed sheets. We've got Friends playing. I've got my candle on and my incense. They're both vanilla. I didn't even, and I've got the ice cream is also vanilla, so apparently it's a vanilla day today. And I've got my Stanley as well, filled up with cold water. Oh my god, this actually matches my pyjamas. I've pretty much drunk all of that already, that's crazy. But yeah, that is my Sunday reset complete.